variety of names and variety of flavor-packed mangoes. And most importantly, variety of recipes using these variety of mangoes. Therefore, in this episode, we have a simple and warmth-filled recipe with mangoes, Aamras, which is best to be had with puris as well as to savor it just like that. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. It is very easy to prepare Aamras at our homes. So here we are taking 250 grams of diced mangoes. Let us add these diced mangoes into a blender jar before adding the other ingredients. The first addition after adding mangoes is 100 grams or quarter cup of powdered sugar. Next in the list is saffron soaked in 50 ml of milk. Let us add both these ingredients to the blender jar. To enhance the flavors and the richness of our Aamras, the next in the list is 50 ml of fresh cream. Final addition to the recipe is powder of seeds of 3 cardamoms. Once we have all the ingredients into the jar, it is time to blend this finely to get a smooth and silky extract. Easy, tasty and simple Aamras is ready, and it is now time to prepare the most suitable partner in crime, and that is Poori. We wish to share the recipe for easy, well-puffed and tasty puris exclusively in another video. Having said that, don't forget to prepare puris when you prepare Aamras at home. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have tasty and simple Aamras. If you like this episode, don't forget to click the like button and to share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.